Hi, my name is Ryan Lippe, and I am a consumer educator with Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost, Consumer Protection Section. I just wanted to make you aware through this short video that we do offer presentations to groups and organizations. If you're out in a community and it's in Ohio, and you're wondering about topics like senior scams, cybersecurity, knowing your rights, protecting yourself from identity theft, scams and fraud, all those different topics can be given to you in person or virtually through a presentation by one of our consumer educators. So if you want to get on our schedule to be able to receive a presentation from the Ohio Attorney General's Consumer Protection Section, we do have a 20-person minimum for in-person presentations, no minimums for virtual presentations. So if one of those fits your bill, please give us a call at 800-282-0515. And there's no charge for any of our presentations. And our website is www.ohioprotects.org. Again, you want to ask for a Ohio Attorney General Consumer Protection presentation. My name is Ryan Lippe from the Ohio Attorney General's Office, Consumer Protection Section. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully we'll be in your community soon.